I am so sure that you don't want to miss the upcoming Metamask airdrop. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel, Valucop. I want to show you how to maximize the upcoming Metamask airdrop that will come very soon. You know how we've received massive airdrops, especially retroactive airdrops from different platforms, the YDS, Uniswap, and all of them, 1inch, ENS, all those airdrops. Now, MetaMask has officially announced that they will be launching their own token. Yes, they've launched their own token. So how do you prepare yourself to get this? If you've seen from other airdrops that mostly loyal users, those that are very loyal to using the platform, like Uniswap, or those that will have that used the Uniswap to swap tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, you got rewarded the airdrops, and same for other retroactive airdrops. And in this scenario now, you have to prepare yourself for this airdrop. Ever since MetaMask integrated the swap function on in their wallet, both the desktop wallet, the browser extension, and the mobile wallet, it became like it became obvious that there's a possibility that there will be an airdrop. And now they have announced that mask token is in view. So how do you prepare for it? Simple, just use the swap feature on the wallet, either on your uh, browser extension or on your the mobile app. You can just simply use it. Make sure that you swap on Ethereum main network. And in this scenario now, swap from ETH to any of your tokens, any of your preferred tokens, and then you can swap back, but just try to do as many swaps as possible. Ethereum gas fee has really dropped in the past months, and so it's possible to get even $17, $18 fee on the Ethereum blockchain. So you can try that out, do as many swap as possible, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and you're going to get ready for this airdrop. And then you can also check out other blockchains like the Polygon blockchain. Try out the Polygon blockchain. And how do you participate in Polygon blockchain? What do you do exactly? You just simply go to, if yours doesn't have Polygon blockchain, simply go to the settings, and you go to add and edit custom RPC network. You go to add network, you browse about it, just browse how to add how to add Polygon to MetaMask. You will see the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, block explorer URL, and then you put it, and your Polygon will just automatically appear. And you can also do swaps there, but make sure you do the Ethereum swaps, and then before you try out other blockchains, because we've seen that definitely Ethereum blockchains usually get the airdrop. So why don't you prepare yourself and get ready for this airdrop? And check out my other videos, and then to learn on other things and the upcoming and the innovative layer 2s that are coming, roll-ups, all of that. And expect more videos. If you have any questions, just ask, drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll attend right to you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button on to know whenever I upload my videos. See ya.